Well, NCP Chief Sharad Pawar has broken his silence, saying that it is up to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra now to ask for the Home Minister's resignation. This after former Mumbai top cop accused the Home Minister Anil Deshmukh of extortion. Pawar said that the allegations against the Maharashtra Home Minister are serious and it is the Chief Minister who has the full authority now to take a decision regarding an inquiry on these allegations. Pawar added that the timings of these allegations against Deshmukh had to be looked into. Pawar were also refuting the allegations against Deshmukh, said the letter addressed to the Chief Minister didn't really showcase any proof or concrete evidence. Pawar has added that this could be an attempt to destabilize the government, but it is not going to happen as the government continues to be stable, is what he claimed.
He made allegations. It is the prerogative of the Chief Minister to take appropriate decision. And CM has full authority to take decision regarding allegations, inquiry about these allegations. ये डिसीजन डेफिनेटली मुख्यमंत्री की जिम्मेदारी है, वो लेंगे। हमसे बात करने के बाद लेंगे, हम इस पर डिस्कस करेंगे। मगर जहाँ तक सरकार की वो स्टेबिलिटी है, सरकार के स्टेबिलिटी के ऊपर इसका कोई असर नहीं होगा, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट इज वेरी वेरी सीरियस एंड गवर्नमेंट इज फुली अवेयर कि ऑल दीज एलिगेशन in the form of letter written by former CP. These allegations had been made by him when he was shifted from important post to unimportant. In his briefing to me and his letter which I read, there is no information about actually collection of money or actually money has been transferred or handed over to CM and not CM, the Home Minister or his staff.
Ashutosh Mishra is getting us more details. He's right outside Sharad Pawar's residence in Delhi. Ashutosh, it's evident that the NCP is extremely uncomfortable with all that has been going on vis-a-vis the developments and now the allegations. But Pawar is now saying that it's on the Chief Minister to take a call on whether there should be an inquiry, because these allegations are extremely serious, isn't it?
Well, what Sharad Pawar says, of course, political language, but we know that who takes the call in Maharashtra government, as they say, it is only the Sharad Pawar. So it could be the well-thought process when he said that former IPS Julius Ribeiro must investigate. Remember, yet again, Sharad Pawar has come to rescue on all the controversies that is cornering this alliance, the Maha Alliance government in Maharashtra. And remember, when BJP says that all these are linked with the Antilia explosive found case from Vaze and everything, which including Paramveer Singh, it is all just one case located. Sharad Pawar taking it to three different stories, saying that Antilia case were different, a sensitive one, whereas Anil Vaze and Paramveer's transfer are completely different cases. When he also admits that yes, Paramveer Singh met and said there is political interference happening in my department and shifting to me from CP to Home Guard is an injustice to me. At the same time, he is suggesting that since it involves allegations against minister and also a police commissioner, since it's a former police commissioner will label these allegations. These are two different allegations that need to be probed, and hence former IPS Julius Ribeiro must probe the case, and that he would suggest to the Chief Minister in a meeting or two. At the same time, Sharad Pawar has clearly defended Anil Deshmukh despite all the allegation. Though he also said there could be one attempt to dislodge the government, but the government is stable. There is no threat to reputation as far as allegations are leveled by the BJP. These are serious in nature, and opposition has that right to raise those issues, and that's exactly why we are demanding probe. The meeting is likely to take place tomorrow, and in next 48 hours, the decision of such alternative steps will be taken, including the resignation of Anil Deshmukh.
All right, things are moving quite fast. Ashutosh, thanks for getting us up to speed with all of those developments.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.